Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly I have to open settings, then go to the system, date and time. If you want to set your date and time manually, you just have to go to the use network provided time and disable this feature. And here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone if you disable this feature, automatic time zone. And you can also change time format here from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.